The rescue of the Abu Simbel temples. The Temples of Abu Simbel are among the most magnificent monuments of ancient Egypt. They have stood the test of time and can still be admired in all their splendor thanks to an ingenious rescue operation conducted some 50 years ago. With the construction of Egypt's famous Aswan Dam, the temples had risked being submerged by the waters of the dam's future reservoir. So, in 1960, UNESCO raised the alarm and eventually enlisted the help of an international consortium of builders. Salini and Pregillo was one of them. The rescue operation would prove to be audacious. It involved dismantling the temples piece by piece and reassembling them on higher ground where they would be safe from the waters of the future reservoir. It was a massive undertaking, involving some 2,000 people and more than 40 million working hours. It began with the construction of a coffer dam to protect the temple areas from the rising waters of the Nile. Workers then carefully cut the temples into 1,030 blocks that made them easier to move to higher ground. Mindful not to damage any of the sections, they did a lot of the work by hand. Moving the temples section by section to a purpose-built hill, the workers rebuilt them with an artificial structure of concrete arches and protective domes. Astronomical calculations were made to keep the original orientation of the temples and to allow the sun to illuminate the gods inside the greater temple, just like it had done for the last 3,000 years. It would remain a spectacle to behold by future generations.